Good morning to all of you. So, this is the last lecture of this coupled oscillations. That couple is good or bad, that is normal mode or antisymmetric mode. That, my friends, decide yourself. We have a normal mode of couple. There should be a displacement of each bob is same. Like what? In the case of your general life, that is husband wife should be displacement should be same. That is frequency match. Then only there is a resonance. Unless and until there is no interest and no enjoyment in your life. Okay. Now next part of our lecture. X1 equal to a cos omega 1 plus omega 2 divided by 2 bracket complete t multiplied by cos omega 1 minus omega 2 divided by 2 multiplied by t. Equation number 14. This is we are giving the number for the calculation of the energy. Similarly, x2 equal to a sin omega 1 plus omega 2 divided by 2 into t multiplied by cos omega 1 minus omega 2 divided by 2 into t. This is equation number 15. If the coupling is weak, then omega 1 is nearly equal to omega 2. This is equation number 16. Let omega 1 plus omega 2 divided by 2 equal to omega dash. Equation number 17. So, the solution becomes x1 equal to, that is 14, equation number 14 is converted into a cos omega 1 minus omega 2 t divided by omega 1 minus omega 2 divided by 2 into t multiplied by cos omega dash t, where omega dash is omega 1 plus omega 2 divided by 2. Understand? Similarly, x2 equal to a sin omega 1 minus omega 2 divided by 2 into t multiplied by sin omega dash t, where omega dash equal to omega 1 plus omega 2 divided by 2. Okay, up to this point? Oh, you have to take care each and every equation. Not only that, whenever you are writing the mathematical part like this equation, then you have to drop at least 1 or 2 lines. Then in before exam, or when you are going to study this coupled oscillation, you can get easily understanding of these equations. Now, equation 18 and 19 show that the two bobs are oscillating with angular frequency omega dash, but the amplitudes of x1 and x2 vary slowly. The variation of x1 is controlled by cosine factor. The variation of x1 is controlled by cosine factor. Okay. Suppose here again I am to explain once again the mechanical energy transfer is how much takes place. Suppose that the first pendulum is initially at rest and it is at a distance a from the equilibrium position. Then we have x1 equal to a and x1 dot equal to 0. How? Because a is constant. Derivative of the constant is equal to 0. x2 equal to 0 and x2 dot is also equal to 0. This is because derivative of 0, that is constant, is 0. Substituting these corresponding conditions in the general solution in equation 20 and 23, we get what? A equal to a plus c, 0 equal to minus a plus c, and 0 equal to bw1 plus dw2, and 0 equal to minus bw1 plus dw2. Equation 10, which gives a equal to c equal to a by 2. Understood? And b equal to d equal to 0. This is equation 11. Okay, up to this point it is clear. Then, so the general solution of this equation is given by now which one? This one. x1 equal to a by 2 cos omega 1 t plus cos omega 2 t bracket complete, comma, x2 equal to a by 2 cos omega 2t minus cos omega 1t. Equation number 30. Then we can write this as x1 equal to, because 2 on both the sides will go, a cos omega 1 plus omega 2 divided by 2 multiplied by t. This 2 comes in the bracket. Multiplied by cos of omega 1 minus omega 2 divided by 2 into t. This is equation 40. And x2 equal to a sine omega 1 plus omega 2 divided by 2 into t, and cos of omega 1 minus omega 2 divided by 2 into t. Equation number 14. Now here it comes. If the coupling is weak, then omega 1 is nearly equal to omega 2, equation number 16. If let omega 1 plus omega 2 divided by 2 equal to omega dash equals 17. So the solution becomes x1 equal to a cos omega 1 minus omega 2 divided by 2 multiplied by t multiplied by cos omega dash t, equation 18. Similarly, x2 equal to a sin omega 1 minus omega 2 divided by 2 multiplied by t and multiplied by again sin omega dash t. This is the equation number 19. Equation 18 and 19 show that the two bobs are oscillating with angular frequency omega dash, but the amplitude of x1 and x2 vary slowly. Variation of x1 is controlled by cosine factor and that of x2 is controlled by sine factor. This is because in the x1 there is a cos and in the expression of the equation x2 there is a sine. Simple thing. So as omega dash t increases, amplitude of x1 decreases and amplitude of x2 increases for first quarter period. Then the process is reversed since the energy is proportional to square of the amplitude, comma, the energy oscillates from maximum to minimum between two pendula. Here word pendula are used because it is the short form of the pendulum. Understand? So the energy transfer in periodic, which is given by P equal to tau equal to 2 pi upon omega 1 minus omega 2 divided by 2 equal to 4 pi upon omega 1 minus omega 2. Why it is 4 pi? This is because already there are 2 pi and the multiplied denominator of the omega 1 minus omega 2 when it comes in the upper part, then it is multiplied by 2. That's why total it is instead of 2 pi, 4 pi. This is the energy transfer in periodic or the coupled oscillations. In this way, all the chapter of the coupled oscillation is completed. Now, my friends, I will give you a what? A test. Unless and until you do study in your home, no use of this video recording or online teaching. You have to sincerely observe these videos. At any time, that is the flexibility is given by our government and our college administration. It is in your favor. But that golden chance, you should do something for the nation. Otherwise, the no use of your life on the earth. This is the golden chance for you to do something for research. You can observe this video. You can study these lectures. You can preparation for examination, preparation for test in home, in short interval your time wastage for coming college by preparing tiffins, by preparing yourself. This time lost is now it is preserved. My friends, the students like in Zopatpatti area, slum area, scoring 99.99 marks, even though there are TVs in their homes. Why? They are not giving any excuses that I have a short room. In the short room, we 6 people are living, and in that 6 people, a very short distance between 2 people when we are going to sleep. And they are not giving excuse. There was single TV. There is a big sound we are hearing. So I am not able to do study. They are not giving like the excuse like that. So my friends, do not give any excuse. Concentrate on your study. And after completion of the chapter, I will give you a test. And that test should be, you should be submit to me through what? WhatsApp group by taking the photographs of your answer sheet. This is the way of the study. This is the way of enjoyment of the study. This is the way of the matching between frequency matching between teacher and student. Otherwise, what is the use of life? What you are doing? No, there is enjoyment. Whenever I enjoy this online teaching also, I am enjoying. Why? Because I am feeling that you are in front of me and I am giving lecture. There should be give and take relation between teacher and student. Unless and until this type of relation is not there, there is no use of this online teaching. So, I pray all of my friends of the BSc second, not giving order, my pray, you have to do study sincerely. You have to do hard work. You have to answer the questions given by the through test. You have to upload your photographs of the answer sheet on the Zoom, on WhatsApp group, so that I can check what you are doing mistakes. There is a last 1 year question paper is available there. You come to the college. If I have the question paper, then I will supply it. Otherwise, there is, you can go to the library of our college. You can get their question paper. In this way, we are going to see throughout the year. Thank you. Thank you very much.